Have you ever looked at a successful YouTube channel and thought, how are they getting so many views? Well, what if I told you that you can analyze and replicate their content strategy using Claude AI without copying their videos? Let me show you exactly how. First, find a YouTube channel that's already performing well in your niche. Maybe it's AI, business, motivation, crypto, or tech. Open the channel and look at their most popular videos. Now go to Claude AI. Copy a few video titles from that channel and ask Claude, analyze these titles and explain the content pattern, audience targeting, and hook style. Within seconds, Claude will break everything down. You'll start noticing patterns. Maybe they use curiosity-based titles. Maybe they focus on beginner tutorials. Maybe they create problem-solving content. Next, copy one of their video transcripts. You can get transcripts directly from YouTube on many videos. Paste it into Claude and ask, analyze this script structure and create a reusable template. This is where things get interesting. Claude can identify the hook, introduction, storytelling flow, examples, call to action, and even the pacing used throughout the video. Now don't just copy it. Instead, tell Claude, create a new video on this topic using the same structure but with completely original content. Suddenly, you have a brand new script inspired by a proven format. You can go even deeper. Ask Claude to generate similar viral titles, better thumbnails ideas, SEO-friendly descriptions, video outlines, YouTube Shorts versions, community post ideas. This is basically what successful creators do. They study what's already working and then create their own version. The goal is not to clone someone's content. The goal is to clone the strategy, the structure, and the psychology behind why people click and watch. And that's exactly where Claude AI becomes incredibly powerful. So if you're struggling to come up with video ideas, stop guessing. Find a channel that's already winning, let Claude analyze it, and use those insights to create original content faster. That's how you can effectively clone a YouTube channel's success strategy with Claude AI. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.